Hello, I am Enrique Ruiz Zúñiga, and I'm working I've been working with the design and coordination of this EU4M Master program in Mechatronics, representing Sweden and the University of Skövde.
With Sweden joining the program, what new strengths or contributions does your institution bring to the EU4M?
Yeah, so I think Sweden can be a great contribution to this masters in joint master in Mechatronics EU4M, and one of the main reasons will be that it will be like a kind of a Nordic of Northern Europe and representation of the kind of the European picture, and this is something that it's usually it's the kind of background and quality of education has been usually like followed as a model here in Europe. So this is something that also can enrich a lot the curriculum, the courses, and this historical industry academia collaboration that we usually follow here.
What type of student profile are you looking for in the Swedish mobility?
I would say that for these masters in mechatronics, we have a lot of non-European students, and usually the focus has been on that. However, we are also focusing on the kind of being attractive for the local students of the four different institutions, and that's something that I would say that they don't have to be afraid of learning another European language. And like non-European students usually do that pretty easily, especially living in another country that the local language is that one. And I would say that most of the European students also they have a background of learning another language at the school besides English. So I think it's quite common to find potential students that know English, Spanish, German, or French. And I think this program can be a great trigger to keep practicing those languages and to make something good out of them.
How is the relationship between the university and the industry during the program?
So I would say that the relationship with between industry and the university has been like quite wide, and usually talking about applied research. So here at the university we do a lot of projects and kind of apply the knowledge we learn in the different courses and programs. And here it's something that local companies, regional companies, and national and international companies usually come to university, ask for advice and ask for students, and that's something that is super integrated in the curriculum here, and through small course projects, thesis projects and PhD projects, is something that it's usually super extended.